Hello friends, good morning, namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about diet management in homeopathic practice part 4. In previous video we discuss about the types of diet in which Sattvic diet, Rajasic diet and Tamasic diet. Today we discuss about the content of diet means types of diet and indication of disease condition or in which disease condition we advise which type of diet. So number one is full diet or full soft diet or light diet in condition of patients who are not on therapeutic or modified diet. Number two is full liquid diet. Full liquid diet in all acute condition before diagnosis. Full liquid diet advised in all acute condition before diagnosis. Number three, low caloric reducing diet. Low caloric reducing diet for weight reduction, especially in case of obesity. Number four, low cholesterol diet. Low cholesterol diet advised in cardiac condition with high cholesterol blood level, coronary heart disease and atherosclerosis. Milk and cream diet. It advised in cases of acute peptic ulcer. Number six is high protein, low fat blend diet. It advised in ulcerative colitis and Spruce syndrome. Number seven, bland diet. Bland diet advised in subacute or chronic gastric and duodenal ulcer, chronic gastritis, chronic diarrhea and hemorrhoids. Number eight, diabetic diets advised in cases of diabetes, maybe diabetes mellitus or insipidus or juvenile diabetes. Number nine, high protein, high calorie diet. High protein, high calorie diet advised in cases of tuberculosis, chronic fever and infection, post-surgical cases and burns. Number 10, protein and sodium free diet. Protein and sodium free diet advised in hepatic coma and acute anuria. Low purine diet, 20 gram protein advised in chronic uremia, acute nephritis and patient recovering from hepatic coma. Number 12, low protein diet, 40 gram protein. These types of diet advised in chronic anemia, acute liver conditions and patient recovering from acute nephritis. Number 13, low calorie, low fat, low protein, low sodium diet. It is advised in acute cardiac failure and edema with edema and hypertension. Acute cardiac failure with edema and hypertension. High protein diet advised in chronic liver conditions with edema, cirrhosis of liver. Liquid diet advised in cases of fever, diarrhea, postoperative diabetes mellitus, intragastric and jejunostomy, feeding, constriction of esophagus due to burns or carcinoma, anorexia nervosa, inability to chew, severe burns and gastric surgery. Gluten-free diet advised in celiac disease, low purine, low fat diet in cases of gout, low uric acid or low calcium, low oxalic acid diet advised in cases of renal calculi, gallbladder diet advised in gallbladder, low residue diet after operation of colon or vaginal hysterectomy. Bland anti-constipation diet advised in irritable bowel with constipation, chronic ulcerative colitis diet. Chronic ulcerative colitis diet. Common irritant omitted diet in cases of allergy. Sodium poor and very low sodium diet. Cardiovascular disease. Diet for toxemia and vomiting of pregnancy. Toxemia and vomiting of pregnancy. Low calcium diet in case of hypercalcemia. High caloric diet for simple underweight and underweight due to anorexia. High iron diet, iron deficiency anemia. Ketogenic diet, children who have epilepsy. In case of epilepsy, we advised ketogenic diet. So a prescription in case of ketogenic diet, first day protein 25 gram, fat 110 gram, carbohydrate 75 gram and calories 1390. Ketogenic anti-ketogenic ratio. Second day 25 gram protein, fat 120 gram and carbohydrate 50 gram, calories 138. In this way, we advise amount of calorie or nutrition according to requirement and disease stage of the particular person. Amount may increase or decrease according to age, sex and occupation. So, in this way, we see the different types of diet advised in different diseased condition. An amount of nutrient depends upon the age, sex and work habit of that particular person. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.